In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Watch Series 6 to another iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your Apple Watch so it can be connected to a new iPhone. So to start, you will be able to connect this to any other model of iPhone. First, you will have to erase all of the data contained on the Apple Watch at this current moment. So to start, open the Apple Watch application, and inside of the settings, you will be able to choose the general category, reset, and then erase all content and settings. By doing this, everything on that current Apple Watch is going to be erased. So now you will be able to set up your new iPhone. So all that you have to do on your new iPhone is to open the watch application. You will then see the option to set up a new watch for yourself, and by tapping that, you will be guided through the process. So usually you will be putting the watch in close proximity of your new iPhone, or you will be able to scan it with your camera. So choose whichever option is more convenient. By doing this, you will be able to get them connected. Once the connection is established, you will be able to use it on your new iPhone. The old one is going to be forgotten, so you don't have to worry about it. As long as you connected it through the watch application on the new device, the connection is going to remain, and you will be able to receive texts, calls, and everything on the new iPhone model. If this doesn't work, check to see if you have the latest iOS version on the new iPhone that you want to pair the Apple Watch to, and also make sure that you have the latest Watch OS version. By ensuring that everything is up to date with the latest software and firmware available, you will be good to go. If it doesn't work, I recommend restarting all of the devices and double checking to see if you properly erased all of the data from the Apple Watch before transferring it over to a new device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple Watch Series 6 to another iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.